It's go time. Less than 10 hours to the race. I'm getting all my stuff together here. I'm gonna pack everything up. I bought some hot hands. I've never used them before, but I bought 2 packs of them. We'll see what they do. I tried to sleep in today, but that was not gonna happen. That was not gonna happen. I did take some melatonin last night. Got a really good rest. My body, I got so drowsy and I just fell into a nice deep sleep. Really needed that. So yeah, gonna get everything packed up. I gotta head into work just for a second to get a charging cable. I'll check everything off my list, make sure I got all my gear. I should be in pretty good shape. I think I got everything. Well, this isn't everything, but it's an awful lot. Whoever said running was cheap. And 3, 2, 1. Got it set up. So, go check in. That's the room I have to avoid. Not going in there.
But that's not just that's just because I'm speed ready.
All right, I'm registered. I guess I'll go ahead and get everything on and then maybe try to just sit down for a bit. All right, well, here's what we're gonna be dealing with. Turning into snow by midnight, snowing for a few hours, getting down to 30, wow, more than a few hours, until 10 a.m. That's the coldest right there. Midnight to 8 a.m. Early Sunday morning. Well, I hit my step goal for the day. So do I have to do this race?
I'm going to hand it over to Alexis to tell you a little bit about the course tonight, especially if you haven't been here. Maybe you can ask him a few questions, get a little Q&A. You can meet Alexis for yourself out on the course. He'll be running. I think he's going to get about 160 tonight, tomorrow night, and the night after. All right, Alexis, here you go. Tell us about the race.
Hi, guys. Hey, guys. Welcome. This is our 5th year of the Conquer the Wall. Thank you for coming down, join us. As you can see, we've always been changing different locations with the race. So we're in another new building, and I think everybody would like this place. Of course, our staff is here, some of the Tug Battle Road Runners Club, so thank them volunteers, and some other volunteers come out throughout the evening itself. So I'm thankful for them for being part of this, helping this event. It's hard, you know how it is with races, to get as many volunteers to come out and make these races successful. And of course, thank our timer there, Tom. If you haven't seen him, say hello and say thank you for keeping track of all your laps and stuff like that. But if you have any other questions, let us know. Have fun out there. I know we're hearing about something called snow. I don't know about that, but we'll see how that goes. But oh yeah.
Renee's got something to say.
Oh yeah.
Renee's got something to say.
What's up?
There's Dave Korfman.
Legend, Dave
out
Korfman.
of nowhere.
What are you doing? You didn't run for
got it, you got it.
American team?
No, we're doing it right.
Five minutes. It's already getting cold. I'm glad I put the long stuff on.
Like 50 times, like 20.
I'm doing Equinox 48,
Yeah.
April 1st and 2nd. I'm doing Backwater VR Elite,
Nice.
second to the 17. Then after Equinox, I'm doing Potawatomi 100.
Where's that at?
No idea, I just signed up. So it's a week after the 48.
Okay.
And then on the 30th, I'm doing Sino Canal 100.
Oh, nice. I'd like to do the CNO.
It's a nice race.
That one looks good. They look like they put it on pretty well.
You see, have you seen Ron?
Yeah, I talked to Ron earlier.
Yeah, so Ron is doing all. So either I'm running races or supporting him.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Now I do have a race in October. I'm race directing.
Okay.
It's called Ox 12. It coincides with the Subaru Outdoor Festival.
Nice.
So it is it sells out quick.
Yeah. That's awesome. Cool.
Okay.
Right here. All right. So I will start walking once I pass the timing lap.
Got it.
That's my plan.
All right. I'll keep up with you.
Sure.
Do not just keep running.
Stay right there. Yeah. Lap one. All right, I am 3 hours in, 16.5 miles. Time to put on a jacket because it's starting to rain. It's going well. I think I need some long sleeves. Hopefully this wind doesn't cause too many issues. I don't want to see my stuff flying around. Oh yeah, it's getting windy. It's getting cold. It's getting cold pretty fast, actually. I guess it's what, 10 o'clock? Something like that. Alright, that shirt already feels better. Warmer. It's too dark to really film any, so I'm not trying to take the GoPro out right now. But yeah, it's going well. Having a good time. My watch is kind of being a dick. The light keeps turning on, which I know is going to drain the battery faster, so I'm trying to up the battery now. All right, I'm gonna get back out there. Oh, almost 5 hours in. It's going well. Going real well. Starting to rain. It's been real windy. I think I'll take you with me this lap. Okay, run for 2 minutes and then I'll come back out. Film a little runner, I reckon. About to hit mile 25. Keeping the pace pretty solid. About where I want to, well, exactly where I want to be, really. So, went a little far the first mile, not the first mile, the first hour. So, really kind of scaled it back. I'm glad I did. Legs feel good. Coming up on hour 5. This is probably the best they've felt at hour 5, so we'll just keep doing what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm rounding up hour 5 right now, 25 miles in. Pacing is going well. Nutrition is going well. It is, there was some pretty serious wind there for a while. I was a little bit worried about my canopy and all the stuff underneath it, but it held up. Shout out to everybody who's running this race. It's gonna get brutal here soon, I know it. And it's gonna stay brutal for a solid 30 plus hours. So we'll see what happens. For now, off to a good start. Didn't catch his last name, but a fella called Ron. Ron is out here doing, well, his life goal, I guess, is to do 100 100s. And he's at 80 something. This is 80 something. It's incredible, absolutely incredible. He's an OG. Started doing this back in '83, he said. Or that was his first 100. It's awesome, it's inspiring. Can't really see a whole lot out here. Hopefully some color correction will improve the lighting. But yeah, no complaints. It'll probably start snowing. Well, it's already raining, my hair's wet, and I'm really trying to stay dry as much as I can. It should start snowing here before too long. Not looking forward to that, but what do you do? All night long, all night long, all night. I'm Josh.
Terry,
Nice to meet you.
you too, man.
Thanks.
How you feeling?
Oh, feeling all right. Steady as it goes.
That's right. Long way to go.
Yeah. Not looking forward to seeing all this rain pick up and turn into snow, but
No.
we'll deal with it.
Well, I'd rather it be snow than rain.
Yeah, with you there. This rain's not too bad yet, but
No, not yet.
hopefully it stays kind of like this.
That wind earlier was nasty.
Yeah, I didn't like that. Did not like that. That was hard to run through.
Yeah.
I just stopped and walked. I was like, not worth the headwind. Not worth the extra effort.
Exactly.
Not today. You done stuff like this before?
I haven't done this race before, but yeah, I've done other
Yeah,
timed events.
cool. This is my first one really going the distance. I've
Nice.
done it before, but only to run a marathon and then stop,
Okay.
just because I didn't have the time to do the whole thing. But
Right, right.
looking forward to seeing where this one takes me.
That's awesome. Well, good luck.
Thank you. Done a couple of trail hundreds, but nothing quite like this.
Yeah, flat is different.
Yeah, it's so repetitive.
Right.
I did a lot of training, but we'll see. Nothing past 12 hours. Don't know what that's gonna feel like.
Just keep moving.
Yep.
Doesn't matter how fast. Moving. Right, let's go.
Thank you, thank you. Rain's really coming down now. Putting you guys up and getting back to the grind. I'm layering up. It is starting to get cold. Not just a little cold, but down to freezing. So, time to get the gloves on and take things a little bit more seriously as it relates to the weather. So About 8 hours, 20 minutes in. It's going well. Okay, I got it to work. Let's see for how long. Getting close to mile 70. It's been impossible to use the GoPro because of the cold. I put it in my pocket with 2 hot hands. So this is my canopy. It got destroyed. Man, there's just no film in this race. Ah, man. I'm putting you up. Alright, I'm calling it. It's been 24 hours. Finishing my 100th mile. A lot of things did not go good for this race. The weather being the number one thing. Feel good about the effort, but when you have to race like this, man, it's tough. I don't know if the wall conquered me or not. I gave it a good fight. I think Mother Nature conquered me. Mother Nature's a bitch. I'm gonna pack it up and head on home. Dad's here. He's gonna help me get home. Oh, I'm glad I called it quits because it is getting very slick and very icy, and it's going to get very, very, very cold, and my body can't handle it. I have been out here non-stop for 24 hours and body just can't handle it. Calling it a day. It was a good day. It was also a bad day. I don't know what's next. Definitely needs some time to recover though.
Woohoo! Good job! Less than 24 hours and 100 miles.
Oh yeah, let's call it a night.
Congratulations.
That is the hardest damn fucking ladder.
You learned it.
It's beautiful. You gotta get you one now. I'm gonna have to do it.
Julian, come and get your car.
Do what?
Julian, come and get your car with me. Nothing else.
Okay, that works.
What are we doing? You want to do a karaoke song?
He's recording what?
Ronnie's not. He's still on the course.
Let me go get this.
This might be a really bad idea, but I really don't like leaving this thing where it's at. So I'm gonna get back out there and finish this thing. I figure I got an hour and a half to digest everything on the drive down there, so eat what I can now and cook a few eggs, and then by the time I get down there, should be feeling pretty good. Just gonna stuff myself, hydrate, get in calories, then get back out there. I should have about 7 hours that I can be out there, so that'll be good. All right. I'm not proud of this. But I need calories. Oh. Ice cream is good all for food because it's fat. I learned that from David Horton. Let's do this. I did.
Are you back?
Yeah.
Went all the way to Huntington and back?
Yeah.
Did you really?
I regret coming back.
We don't regret seeing you, man.
Man, this thing is hard. I've never done this kind of race, right? It is different, man. It is so different. It's finally warm enough for the damn GoPro to work.
Yeah.
There were so many things I wanted to film last night and I just couldn't because of this thing. My canopy just had like 10 inches of snow on it and collapsed. Ended up having to haul it off to the dumpster. All my shit had like 5 inches of snow on it. It was just insane.
Remember this?
You ain't kidding.
I think we all will.
So I was just talking to Larry, and Rhoda is killing it. She's at like 138. They just printed off the paper. She's probably right behind me. she's probably coming up on 140 here, if not past it. She's been moving good. I mean, I've been watching her grind it out here. It's insane. I think she ran a very smart race. She really knows this format. She's done this twice. She's ran as much as 150. She might do it again today. She really knows this format well, I think. You could kind of tell she knew when to push it, when to rest. I learned a lot. Really, I learned a lot. This is very eye-opening to these kind of events, these endurance events. I don't want to go so far as to say that my big A goal of 200 miles was unreasonable. I think physically, maybe I could have gotten there in different conditions, softer course, and if I didn't have this ankle injury from Cloud Splitter, because it reared its ugly head and I'm barely able to walk fast right now, but because I actually was not far off my pace at the 24-hour mark. I didn't realize it. I thought it was way further, but it wasn't actually that far off. So how's it going? Is that Carl? What are you doing, buddy?
I came through.
You came. What are you doing here?
Good to see you.
Oh, I'm still here. I don't know why. Did you see on Facebook?
Yeah, I've been following you. I was going to come up, and then I thought, well, because he quit, and I got to hit 11:12. Brenda goes,
You got here at 11:12?
No, I seen it at 12 o'clock. Brenda said, he's still running. And I thouut really?
Oh, I didn't get here till noon.
I know, I seen we said you want to start at noon.
Yeah, I got 4 more hours. The GoPro sucked. It kept turning itself off.
It did.
But it was too cold. It lasted for about 5 seconds and it shut off. So I didn't get much footage, so.
Oh, really? Yeah. And they got gone.
Sharp turn around at the guardrail. I gotta take it real slow. Yeah. Yep.
You too. Keep it up.
Good that you came back.
I'm gonna regret it later. Maybe I'll regret it now, actually. Oh, thank you. Okay. Minute mile, Carl. 123 miles on my legs, and that was a 10-minute mile. Way too fast. About an hour and a half to go. One more lap will get me to 131. Probably got 2 laps in me. So should get to 133. Be pretty pleased with that. That gives me 29 miles for the day since coming back. So 29 and 7 hours on pretty tired legs, to say the least. All right, I got time for one more lap. So I'm moving at a crawl. That should put me at 131. I'll get to 133 and then I'll be good. Oh, not bad for the first time. Not what I wanted, but I also didn't want to get a winter storm thrown on top of me. What do you do? Hindsight is 2020. I learned a lot, a whole lot. That's Rhoda. She's still going. Still going. Going strong. Love to see it. I can tell you one thing. I'm not going to wake up tomorrow and decide to run 30 miles. Hell no. Today was stupid. Quitting was stupid. Running is stupid. This is my last lap. My last lap. Last lap. Last lap. I'm Josh. It's nice to meet you. I don't think I really got to talk to you at all.
No, but
You're insane. You're an insane person. I don't know how you do it. You do this stuff all the time?
I do quite a few. But
Man.
yeah, it's been a great weekend with the weather we had. So I don't mean that facetiously.
Yeah.
Presented a lot of challenges. And
It sure did.
so people can come up for 48 and they're not going to hit 124 like you did.
Yeah.
So this gives them a chance to get a buckle.
Yeah, definitely.
And I know people that sign up for even longer races so they can do it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, it's a different kind of race for sure.
And this one, you have so many local people that come out to do what they can.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how far.
I'm just an hour and a half away.
Are you in West Virginia? Or
Yeah,
you in-
yeah, Huntington.
Okay.
So not far.
But that's what's really neat here is all the local people that.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Fort Wayne, Indiana area.
Oh, you got to drive then.
Yeah. But I don't mind driving.
Yeah. All right. Scratch that last video. 135. 135. All right. Thank you. Way to go! Awesome.
Victory lap. Yeah, wait.
Ah.
You're not done. I'm not done. Yeah,
Still got it. He's moving.
Good job. Good job. Way to go.
so much.
Good job, Brad.
Absolutely. And we're proud of you for coming back, sir.
I'm glad I did.
We got this. That's awesome. Way to go.
Can't decide what I want. I want everything. I want the whole menu. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry right now. I'm not proud of this, but I just bought $14 for the Taco Bell, and it's all for me. I didn't offer to get Lindsay any. Probably should have. Not a good husband. Sorry. Sorry, Lindsay.